Unit 7 End of Unit Assessment. Calculator inactive. Question 1. Diego's dog weighs more than 10 kilograms and less than 15 kilograms. Determine if each inequality is true or false if W is the weight of Diego's dog in kilograms. Question 2. Determine if each number is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Write yes or no. Question 3. Given x equals -2, place each letter on the number line. Question 4. A. Which temperature is warmer, -2 degrees Celsius or -5 degrees Celsius? B. Write an inequality to express the relationship between -2 and -5. Question C. On this number line, graph all the temperatures that are warmer than -2 degrees Celsius. Question 5. Draw a polygon A, B, C, D, E, F in this coordinate plane, given these vertices. A, -2, -3. B, 0, -3. C, 0, 1. D, 3, 1. E, 3, 3. F, -2, 3. Question 6. Starting at 7 a.m., Lynn spent a day hiking through a canyon. This graph shows her elevation in meters at some different times. Negative values of x represent times earlier than noon, and positive values of x represent times later than noon. What was Lynn's elevation at noon? Explain how you know. At 10 a.m., Lynn's elevation was 7 meters. Add this point to the graph and label B. C. At 1 p.m., Lynn was at sea level. Add this point to the graph and label C. D. Did Lynn's elevation increase or decrease between 7 a.m. and 2 p.m.? Explain how you know. E. Lynn climbed downward from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Add a point to the graph and label E that shows her possible elevation at 3 p.m. Explain your reasoning.